Wally's here to help me. I have an old sheet dropped, and I have this bottom layer of my GreenStalk. This is one of the first ones I threw together. I planted these potatoes, the mini potatoes, on February 1st, but in Florida it got unseasonably warm. But this is the very bottom layer of my other tower here, so I took all the other layers off. But I really want to get some sweet potatoes in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to harvest this and see how this went. It's the end of April now, so they didn't have a huge amount of time, but they are baby potatoes. So I'm just going to dump these over here really quickly. I need to put the phone down because it's heavy. Okay, Wally's going to help me. I've never actually grown potatoes. Three sweet potatoes. Ooh, let's see what we got, Wally. Like I said, these weren't in very long, so I'm not sure how many are going to be here. Wally is helping me, apparently, with the potato. Oh, no. No, Wally. That's not helping, Mom. Oh. Alright, well, thanks. He helped. He helped. Nope, nope, nope. Not for you. Not for you. Why don't you help me with these? Okay, here. Here you go. Here's some potato things. Go play with that. Alright, so I'm just gonna pull these apart. See what happens. I'm doing this on a sheet though. That way. Oh, I can see how many I got. And I can save the dirt. Nope. Ah. Okay. Wally's helping. This stuff, it doesn't feel like there's anything in here. I'm just gonna dump right back into my bucket. Finally finished with the help of Wally, who really wants to eat potatoes, but according to Google, they're not supposed to eat them raw. But put all the soil back in there. Put the piles of greens that Wally didn't play with, which are mutilated over here. Thanks for helping me, again. This is what I got, which is definitely more than what I put in. So for a first time in less than a 2-month growing window for a Florida potato, I consider that pretty great. Hopefully next year it'll go better. In the meantime, I get some potatoes, and Wally gets some twigs to play with. Stay tuned for more.